Hey there, my name is Cody. I'm with Walser Nissan Wayzata, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Bluetooth in your Nissan model. What you're going to want to do, turn it on, go to your settings, and go to your Bluetooth settings. And on the vehicle, you can go to connections, and you can do add new. Hit this button here so that way you can see the available devices. And then you'll hit My Frontier. You should see a number pop up on both screens. This is to make sure that you do connect to the correct vehicle. You'll hit pair. You'll see that it's going to connect. It's going to show that it's downloading the phone book once it asks you to do so in here. And you'll also have access to adding your messages. Once it goes from downloading phone book to voice recognition is ready, the vehicle is fully ready for all Bluetooth capabilities. Thank you for watching the video today. If you have any additional questions, feel free to call or visit us online at walsernissanwayzata.com.